Just we are standing somewhere and I'm asking you to just pass it to me, that sapodilla. So what you will feel? What you will feel? Matlab you will try to hesitate.
Okay, so I think this is your first live, right?
Yes.
I think you were super duper confident at that time.
Oh, really? But I don't
Yeah,
think.
yeah. Like when I did my first live, I was like, I just took my phone and like just saying that what is happening here. Yeah.
Maybe I
So,
am
but
a
yeah, it's
teacher as a profession, so maybe like that. Otherwise, it's my first life. I haven't
right, ma'am.
did like that.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask you one thing that if anyone just wanted to be a good communicator, just I'm just saying good communicator. So what are the basic things that required to be a good communicator,
Okay, very good
according to
question.
you? Thank you
Yes,
so much.
according to me, what I feel like we are having tenses in Hindi also. Okay, the
Yeah,
phobia,
definitely.
the main phobia, what the main journal people are having, that without tenses they are unable to speak in English. Okay, but what I do believe, like in Hindi, we are familiar with the language. Okay, we are not
Right.
having any phobia with the language, like from since birth we are using that
100%.
language. And when,
Right, ma'am.
sorry to interrupt, but I want to go back to the story when a child takes birth. So what it happens, he doesn't know anything, but he used to be a good listener and observer. Whatever the
Right,
signs we
right.
are giving, like body language, he tries to understand what body language we are using, the poses we are giving, and slowly, gradually, the little child starts talking in the language which we
100%.
are using without any rules and regulation. So same
Right,
with
ma'am.
the English. Then why we are having difference between Hindi and English? Why we are having a phobia for this? That in Hindi, so we are having bhoot, bhavish, vartman, but have you ever used? My question goes to
Ma-
you.
Yeah,
Even to
ma'am. You
those
know
who are
what?
listening to me, have you
Even
anytime realized that, have you used these tenses, bhoot, vartaman, bhavish? If I will ask you a simple question, like in English we are able to differentiate that simple present is of four, like simple sorry, present tense is of four types, but can you tell me the name, only name of that tense is what we call in Hindi? Even I
right,
am
right, ma'am.
unable to recall. So this is the
Right,
main point. Ki we should have to focus. Like you have to be a good communicator. So first of all, you have to start with the words. Like whatever you are able to see around you. Like suppose I am a woman. So I am most of the time I used to invest in the kitchen. So don't feel that key you don't know this, don't know this. Just keep on asking the question with you only. Like I want to give you a simple example. Like we are in a party. Okay, suppose we are in a party and you not aware that I know English a lot and whatever language I'm using. Just we are standing somewhere and I'm asking you to just pass it to me, that sapodilla. So what you will feel? What you will feel? Matlab you will try to hesitate. You will try to ignore me.
yeah,
Why? What is the
right,
reason? What is the reason? Because you don't know what is sapodilla. You are able to understand, you are able to frame the sentences, but problem is that
yeah.
you want to hide with me, you want to, and after it you will go with your friends and say, oh wow, what a good speaker she is. But not that. No, this is the reality. Most of the people do like this. So it's a simple,
Right, ma'am.
sapodilla is a chiku. Like if you are familiar, like suppose you are eating a chiku, then you should know that what we call this in English, sapota or sapodilla. So this is my basic funda. Like suppose you have to be a good communicator, so you have to be confident, you have to be perfect, whatever. And second thing, most important thing is that you have to be confident what you are going to wear. Like suppose I am going to give one introduction in front of you, but someone will come to me and says, "Ma'am, your dress is not looking good." So what I will feel, my mind distracted to some other place. I start thinking,
Right,
oh, what others will think. So first of all, you should have to be confident for yourself that what you are going to present, how you are going to
100%.
behave. So this is also one of
100%.
some basic things. If we will follow now, we are going to learn English. It's not any other language. It's just only international language which we are in use. Like so many examples are there. If we will talk about, like one of my friend, just I called her last few days back. I asked her. I seen her status. So what I saw, ki she was taking French classes. So I got
Wow.
astonished that she is too unable to speak in English also, but she's taking French classes. So I made a call. But what I will say, there was a curiosity to know ki
Right,
how
right.
it happens. So she told me that during this pandemic, she utilized her time while joining the French classes online. And today she is
Wow.
teaching to others. So this is also the best way if you want to improve your language. Just start
Right.
teaching others.
100%. 100%. And before we're gonna go ahead, I just wanted to say that, ma'am, your storytelling is really amazing. I can feel that. I mean, the way you speak and correlate the topic is really amazing. Really, I get good.
Really,
And is that, like, as we talk about like communication, so is communication is only meaning the English communication or Hindi as well, or is whenever we're speaking our local language as well? So what include in a communication?
uh, for communication, देखो, it's not a matter of language. It's not a
Right.
matter of language. Should be anything. Like suppose I will ask you a simple question. Again, I'm getting back to the question. I will ask, कि are you able to tell me छोटा बड़ा? So most of the people will say I'm unable. Like I also, if anyone will ask, tell me the chota bada, so I'm unable to tell because I'm not in the habit. Okay, but what will
Right.
come? Like I am in the habit of using anything to whatever the habit you will develop. कहते हैं ना, as the company, so you will grow. As you reach, so
Yeah.
you will. So
100%.
as you sow,
100%.
you will reap. Okay, so whatever it should be. So you have to be like communication is what you should have the knowledge. Like suppose I'm not having any knowledge of the interest, I'm not having any interest in cricket, and someone will ask me something about cricket. So what I will say, I will become speechless. But if I
Right.
know, so I'm able to tell in Hindi also, in Sindhi also, in English also, and in French also, because this is just only a
Right.
matter
Right.
of the language. So for communication,
Right.
we have to become a good reader and good listener, then only we can become a good communicator.
100%. 100%.